is a morning pool on ground level, just near the street, and across the street from the beach has sunken chairs in the water. Very nice. Hi guys, just arrived in Jomtien Beach, just near Pattaya. This is a monthly rental in a brand new building. It's low season at the moment and it's going for about $454 a month US, and it's beachfront property, and I'll show you around. Yeah, I'll show you what we've got here. It's got electronic door in and out. This is the bathroom. So it's got just a little sink, nice big mirror, and a walk-in shower with a different types of shower. They often have these rain shower heads, which are great. Now I chose this place because it had a washing machine. I always like to have a washing machine, so it's a nice big washing machine. It's pretty much a brand new washing machine. It's got a little mini kitchen, which is pretty standard in Thailand. So you've got your cooktop, your double plate cooktop, microwave oven, that looks pretty new as well, and a medium size fridge. I either like a medium size or a large size because you tend to get drinks and things like that, or fruits and other things you might want to cook. And the small mini fridges are just not big enough. So I always like to go somewhere that has a larger fridge than a smaller one. And it's fully self-contained. You've got some things to cook with. There's a kettle, frying pan, saucepan, a few plates and cutlery glasses. So that looks good. And little sink. They don't have dishwashers in Thailand, so it's not really that popular, the dishwashers. So I do miss having dishwashers in Thailand. They've even got a hair dryer as well. Okay, what else? That's nothing up there. It's just empty cupboard space. Oh yeah, this is a cupboard as well. And that's empty cupboard space as well. And there's like an exhaust fan, it looks like that is up there. So we've got a nice little sofa, just a little sofa seating area. Looks like a queen size bed. Queen. Yeah, I think it's a queen. It looks bigger than a double. So that looks pretty good. There's some nice cupboard space as well. There's some nice cupboard space and a few coat hangers. Yeah, another nice mirror, dressing table. It's pretty small, it's compact, you could say. It's cozy. Television, nice new TV, flat screen, little table with 2 chairs, nicely padded, and a beautiful sea view. I mean, this is really the draw card, is the sea view. And we're right on the beachfront here at Jomtien. There's a little balcony here, and I'm going to go out. Very steamy at the moment. So this is a tiny little balcony. Tiny. But if you want to go outside or dry clothes or whatever, you can do so. And you've got a beautiful view of the sea. Absolutely gorgeous. Yay! So welcome to Jomtien, everybody. So there's some big buildings here. Looks like a big complex. So there's a huge complex here next door. Not sure the name of that. And then you've got temples and greenery and birds, and there seems to be an empty block of land there. Lots of people walking around the beach, even though it's super hot. Looking good. Here you've got the gym. Nice gym, actually. Gym overlooking the pool and the sea. Some nice looking machines. And in here we've got a yoga room with some fit balls. Nice lounge area, 2 pool tables. Very nice. Extras here with the kiddies playground, little basketball hoop net there, basketball court, half court.